everyone. Kids, where do you live? Yes, we live in house or home. Did you know what does a home mean? It means where we all live and feel safe and protected and comfortable. जहाँ पे हमें सेफ फील होता है या फिर प्रोटेक्टेड फील होता है, किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में डर नहीं लगता हमें, वहाँ पे अच्छा लगता है, उसे हम होम कहते हैं या फिर हाउस कहते हैं. Why do we need a house? We need home to live in and protect us from heat, cold and rain. Just like us, animals also need shelters or homes to live in and to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain and other animals. So today we are going to learn about shelters of animals and birds from the lesson 3.6 Sheds and Nest. You know kids, animals have different types of shelters. Let's know some of them. First of all, we will know about the shelters of domestic and farm animals. Home of domestic and farm animals are made by us as they kept by us as pet. A dogs live in kennel. Domestic animals like cow live in cow shed. Buffaloes are also kept at homes and farms. They stay in shed. Goat are also domesticated in farms. They are kept in pens. Sheep are also kept in pen. Sheep are also domesticated in farms. Animals like horses live in stable. Donkeys are also live in a stable. Pigs are kept in a pig pen or in stall. What is the name of the shelter of pig? It's stall or pig pen. Bird like hen and rooster live in a coop. You know kids, some animals stays under the ground. As a rabbit feels very safe in burrow. Animals like rat lives in hole. Animals like mongoose also live in holes. They make hole in ground and hide themselves there. Insect like ants build their home with mud, which is called ant hill. Honeybees build their own shelter, which is called beehive. Let's see about birds. Birds live in nest. They make their nest themselves. They use dry leaves, straw, hay, grass, twigs to build their nest. Some of the birds live in the holes of big trees. Let's see some nest of some birds. This is the nest of eagle. This is nest of tailor bird. This is the nest of weaver bird. See, some birds live in the holes of big trees. Now let's see shelter of wild animals. Like us and domestic animals, wild animals also need shelters. Jungle is the home of all wild animals. They feel protected and safe in the jungle. Tiger live in a cave. Lion lives in a den. A bear also takes shelter in a cave. Some animals live freely in jungle. They are elephant, giraffe, zebra, rhinoceros and so many others. Jungle is their natural home. Deer live in grassland. Some animals like monkeys, and koala take shelters on the branches of a big trees. Animals like squirrel take shelter in holes of a tree. Spider live in webs, which is called a cobweb. Some animals live in water. Shark, dolphins, fishes, jellyfish, starfish, etc. live in water. We keep some animals and birds as pets. We keep fishes in an aquarium or fish tank. Parrots are kept in a cage. Rabbits are kept in rabbit hutch. Remember, we must take good care of our pets. Let's read new words. SHELTER, shelter. SHADY, shady. BUILD, build. THEMSELVES, themselves. NEST, nest. SHED, shed. STABLE, stable. KENNEL, kennel. MICE, mice. BEEHIVE, beehive. BURROW, bureau. ANTHILL, anthill. HOLE, hole. CAGE, cage. HUTCH, hutch.